Welcome to our module on decision making in leadership. In this session, we'll explore why decision making is such a vital skill for a leader and how the choices you make can shape the success of your organization. We'll delve into impact your decision can have not just on the organization as a whole, but also on the people within it. We'll look at the balance between rational, data-driven decision and those based on intuition or gut feeling, recognizing that the both have their place in effective leadership. Finally, we'll discuss key considerations to keep in mind when making decisions, ensuring they align with your organization goals and values. By the end of this module, you'll have a deeper understanding of the decision-making process and how to apply it effectively in your leadership role. As a leader, our ability to make effective decisions is crucial. Every decision we make, big or small, has the potential to impact our organization, direction, and success. It's important to recognize that leadership is often measured by the quality of decision made, which is why understanding the decision-making process is essential for any leaders. The decisions we make as a leader don't just affect us, they ripple through the entire organization. A single decision can influence our strategic direction, employee morale, and even our market position. It's essential to understand that every decision carries weight, and our goal should be to make decisions that not only avoid pitfalls but also propel our organization towards success. When it comes to decision making, leaders often oscillate between rational and instinctive approaches. Rational decision making relies on data and analysis, making it ideal for complex or high risk situations. On the other hand, instinctive decision making draws on our experience and gut feelings, which can be particularly valuable when quick decisions are needed. Understanding when to use each approach is key to being effective leader. To make effective decision, it's essential to consider several key factors. First, clarity. Understand the problem or opportunity at hand. Next, gather as much relevant information as possible to inform your decision. Consider the perspective or stakeholders as your decision will likely impact them. Don't forget to evaluate the risk and reward associated with each option. Finally, ensure that your decision align with your organization's broader goal and values. This consideration will guide you toward making decisions that are not only sound but also impactful. In conclusion, decision making is at the heart of leadership. By balancing rational analysis with intuitive insight and consider the key factor we've discussed, you can make decisions that positively impact your organization. Remember, the quality of your decision is a reflection of your leadership, so approach each one with care and consideration. Now that we've covered the basic of decision making in leadership, I love to hear your thoughts. Do you have any question? Or perhaps you'd like to share an experience where a decision you made had significant impact on your team or organization. Let's discuss.